knife is dangerous. Be careful on doing these tricks. In this tricks I used 8 inches utility knife. There is 3 parts of this trick tutorials. Part 1 is the spin. Watch the thumb and index finger how they hold the handle of the knife and spin through middle finger. Part 2, the back throw. In this trick, hold the knife between thumb and middle finger. Index finger will be at the back of knife handle. In this position, index finger will do the push and throw assisted by wrist. And here's the third part, the finger roll. This trick is a little bit crucial. Watch the first position of the knife, followed by the movements of the fingers. Focus on the fingers transition and how the wrist turned upside down. Just keep on practicing. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe, and I will see you again next time.